Hi, my name is Luke Lewitzky. I'm a certified personal trainer through the American Council of Exercise, and I've been training for the last 20 years. Over the course of time, I've seen a lot of clients, I've worked with a lot of clients that have had low back issues. Most of these issues, a lot of times, can be attributed to one of two things: either a lack of mobility in through the hips or thoracic spine, or a lack of core strength and stability through your lumbar spine or your shoulder complex. So what I want to go through today is I want to go through just a couple different stretches you can do to help increase your hip mobility. The first stretch I'm going to teach you is going to be a half kneeling hip flexor stretch. So throughout the day, we end up doing a lot of sitting during the day. When you're sitting, your knee is in a flexed or shortened position, okay? So with your hip being in that shortened position, that muscle gets a little bit tight over time, which then pulls on the lower back as you extend up, okay? So what we want to do for this stretch is I want you to come down onto one knee. Half kneeling position, nice and tall. You want your knee directly underneath your hip, and you want to stay nice and tall through your spine. From here, you're going to contract your glute muscles to get tension through the front of your hip. You're going to slide forward just slightly so you feel a little bit of a greater stretch into the hip. Now from here, I want you to get a big deep breath in, reaching up and tall through the same side as that down knee, and then as you exhale, open up towards the open side. Breathe back in, and bring it back. The second way that we're going to do this here now is, again, staying tall. We're going to reset the hips, contract the glutes, slide forward, extend all the way up with both hands. I want you to grasp the wrist of the opposite hand and reach up and over to the side of that front leg. Remembering to breathe. This is going to then provide a little bit of added stretch through the lateral spine, side of the hip. Come on back and lower down. That is your half kneeling hip flexor stretch. The second stretch that we're going to do today is called a supine pigeon. For this stretch, you're going to lie down on your back. Lying down, you want to make sure you maintain a nice neutral spine. You're going to take your right knee, cross it over your hip, opening your hip up to form a figure four. From here, you're going to sit up and reach between your legs with your right arm, grabbing the back of your left thigh, and then lying down. Again, keep the shoulders relaxed down. I want you to breathe in through your nose. Exhale through the mouth. You want to focus on keeping the hips open, nice and wide, forming that nice figure four. Give me 5 big deep breaths. And exhaling through the mouth. The last stretch that we're going to do today is called a frog stretch, a tactical frog. So for this stretch, you're going to come onto your hands and knees. You're going to take your knees nice and wide, turning your feet out so that your heels are in line with your knees. Hands down on the ground, about shoulder width apart. You want to maintain a nice long spine as you do this. So I don't want any rounded backs. From here, we're going to get a stretch in through the inner thigh. Big breath in. As you exhale, you're going to sit back into your hips. Maintain that long, straight spine. You're going to breathe in as you press forward. And then exhale, sitting back into the hips. I recommend that you do this about 10 times. Controlling your breathing, sitting back into your hips, moving nice and slow, working on getting the stretch in through your hips. Those are 3 great stretches you can do to help improve your hip mobility, to alleviate any discomfort you may be having in your lower back.